Hi everyone! Finally a new video on DidyToys channel, and today I'll show you how to crochet a plush lion. You'll need for it two contrasting colors of plush yarn. I use Himalaya Dolphin Baby as always, orange and brown. You'll also need a thinner white yarn for muzzle. I use Alize Softy as I like the fluffy structure. I'm going to use 4mm crochet hook for the main yarn and 2.5mm hook for the muzzle. You'll also need some thin brown yarn for the nose embroidery. I've got thin Italian velour. You may use a different yarn as well. I've also got some strong thread for muzzle sculpting. If you don't have anything else, you can use yarn art jeans or something similar to it. Then a plastic needle for sewing the mane and muzzle. A long metal needle for sculpting and nose embroidery. Then scissors. Amigurumi eyes. These are not safety eyes, so I'll use some transparent glue to attach them. I will also use some ready-made white circles to decorate the eyes. You may not use them at all, or use felt or foam and make them by yourself. Then you'll need some fiber fill to stuff the head and the body. I don't stuff the arms and the muzzle. And that's all, I believe. The pattern is quite simple, easy to follow and beginner friendly. And the line comes out extra cute. So, let's start crocheting. We are going to start by arms, crochet 2 chain stitches, then crochet 6 single crochet stitches into the second stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The first round is ready. Now crochet a single crochet stitch in each stitch around for 6 rounds, 6 stitches in each row. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Continue crocheting till you have 7 rounds in total. So I've got 7 rounds here. Now fold the arm and crochet the edges together. 2 single crochet stitches. 1, 2. Now cut the thread and pull it through the loop. Don't forget to leave a tail for sewing. The arm is ready. Crochet the second one following the same pattern. These are the arms, and we are going to crochet the legs next. Start by 2 chain stitches again, and then crochet 6 single crochet stitches into the second stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the last one, 6. The first round is ready. Now we are going to increase. We crochet 2 single crochet stitches followed by an increase twice, and you'll get 8 stitches in total. An increase, 2 single crochet stitches again, 1, 2, and 1 more increase. The second round is ready, and now we are going to crochet 2 rounds of 8 stitches in total. It means you need to crochet a single crochet stitch in each stitch around. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 more round, no increases or decreases needed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now cut the thread and pull it through the loop. The first leg is ready. Crochet the second one following the same pattern, but don't cut the thread. The second leg is ready. Don't cut the thread. We are going to connect it with the first one and then continue crocheting the body. To connect them, crochet a chain stitch, attach the first leg and crochet 8 single crochet stitches into its loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we need to crochet a single crochet stitch into the chain stitch, but if we just crochet into it, we'll get a hole here, so we need to make something similar to an increase. I insert the hook into the side loop here, then through the chain stitch and crochet them together. Now crochet into the loops of the second leg, 8 single crochet stitches, no increases or decreases needed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a single crochet stitch into the chain stitch again. The round is ready. We are going to increase in the next round, so crochet 2 single crochet stitches followed by an increase 6 times. You should get 24 stitches in total. 1, 2, an increase, 2 single crochet stitches again, 1, 2, an increase, 1, 2, one more increase, 1, 2, an increase, 1, 2, an increase, 1, 2, and the last increase, 1, 2. No more increases needed. We should crochet 3 rounds of 24 stitches. It means you crochet a single crochet stitch in each stitch around. I'll skip a bit and meet you in the round 10. That's the end of round 9 and I've got 24 stitches in total. Now we are going to start decreasing the body. For that, crochet 2 single crochet stitches followed by a decrease 6 times. 1, 2, a decrease, 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 1, 2, and the last decrease. One more round with decreases, a single crochet stitch followed by a decrease 6 times. A single crochet stitch, a decrease, one more single crochet stitch, a decrease, a single crochet stitch, a decrease, a single crochet stitch again, a decrease, and one more time a single crochet and a decrease. You should have 12 stitches in total, and we are going to attach the arms in the next round. First, stuff the body. Be careful to add enough stuffing in legs. We're going to crochet a single crochet stitch in each stitch around in the next round, but we need to attach the arms. So we crochet 2 single crochet stitches, 1, 2, then attach the first arm, and we're going to crochet through the loops of the arms and the body together. 2 single crochet stitches, 1, and the second one. Now 4 single crochet stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, attach the second arm and crochet together with it. 2 single crochet stitches again. 1, 2, and 2 more single crochet stitches. I'm going to use these yarn tails to sew the arms to the body a bit tighter. Add stuffing if you need before you continue crocheting, as the hole will be too small then, and it won't be convenient. Now 6 decreases for the last round of the body. The first decrease, the second one, the third one, decrease number 4, five, and the last decrease. The body is ready. We are not going to cut the thread, as we are going to continue crocheting the head using the same thread. I decided to add some more fiber fill. It's not easy now, but I'll do it anyway. Now I'm going to start crocheting the head, and the first round is 6 increases. It means you crochet 2 single crochet stitches in each stitch around, and you'll get 12 stitches in total. A single crochet stitch followed by an increase 6 times for the next round. Increase, a single crochet stitch, 1 more increase, a single crochet stitch again, an increase, a single crochet stitch, an increase, a single crochet stitch, and an increase again. The round is ready. 2 single crochet stitches followed by an increase 6 times for the next round, 24 stitches in total. 1, 2, an increase, 1, 2, an increase, 1, 2, an increase, 1, 2, an increase, 2 more single crochet, an increase. You should have 24 stitches in total, and we are not going to increase or decrease. We need to crochet 3 rounds of 24 stitches. It means you crochet a single crochet stitch in each stitch around. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the end of round 19, and we are going to decrease starting from the next round. That's how the toe looks like now, and we are starting to decrease. 2 single crochet stitches followed by a decrease 6 times. You should get 18 stitches in total. A decrease, 1, 2, a decrease again, 1, 2, a decrease, 1, 2, a decrease, 1, 2, one more decrease, 1, 2, a decrease, and that's all. 1 single crochet stitch followed by a decrease 6 times for the next round. A decrease, a single crochet, a decrease, a single crochet, a decrease again, a single crochet, a decrease, a single crochet, a decrease, and one more time a single crochet and a decrease. The head is almost ready and we are going to start stuffing it. Usually I stuff the toy quite tight so it has a proper shape. That's the last round and we need to make 6 decreases. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the last one. The head is ready. I've got 6 stitches in total. I cut the thread and pull it through the loop. I will add some stuffing. I'm going to tighten the hole after that. I'll use a plastic needle. I insert the needle through front loops only. Tighten a bit and insert the needle into the center of the hole. Fasten the thread. Weave in the yarn tail. I prefer the arms to be sewn tighter, so I'll use the yarn tails to sew them to the body. Same process for the second arm. Don't forget to weave in all the yarn tails. The main part of our toy is ready. In the next video I'll show you how to crochet the muzzle, ears, tail and mane, as well as sculpting the muzzle, nose embroidery and eyes attaching. See you!